Hey everyone, Gilroy Gray Man Prepping. I did a little prepping haul here on the 2nd of October, and so I'm going to show you some of the stuff I got here. All right, let's turn the camera around here and we'll get at it. Okay, so I went to Winco's and I got 3 loaves of bread here. These used to be back before Captain Crazy and the Giggler got into office. These used to be 88 cents each. They're now $1.38. Yeah. And I also picked up some Rosarita traditional refried beans. This is not the fat-free where it actually has soy oil and other crap in it. This is the good stuff. Let's see if we can get this to focus on it. So, cooked beans, water, lard, salt, distilled vinegar, salt, sea salt, chili peppers, onion powder, spices, natural flavoring, and garlic powder. So, yeah. Got some of those to help me out in my diet, a little bit healthier than the other crap that was said was healthy, which really wasn't. All right, got for the grandsons. Oh, the bread is for the grandsons because for the sandwiches and stuff. This is also for the grandsons. Grape juice from Winco's. It provides 80% of vitamin C for an 8-ounce glass. The grandkids actually like the grape juice a little bit more than they do the apple juice. I also picked up 6 more things of beef broth because I've been using it, and I'll show you what I've been using it for here, but I need to get a little bit more in stock here. In fact, I used my last one last night, so I need to get more there. So that's what I got at Winco's. Sam's Club, I went over and I picked up 2 gallons of milk. Milk now is $3.70 a gallon. That's up from the 2 something it was back before the Giggler and Captain Crazy took office. Got the grandsons some chips. It's a healthier snack than the stuff they like to, the sugary stuff they like to eat, and so this is a little bit better for them. This was $4.48 for this. Now my big score though was the in the meat. So normally this is $4.98 a pound. Got it at 24% off. So it was almost $21 is now 15 and a half. And this one here, which was 24 and a half, is now a little over 18. And these are going to go in to here. I got one that's finishing up cooking here from last night, and another pot roast. So I'll be pulling that out and putting it away in the fridge and getting it taken care of. And what I'll do is I do some of these up here. So when I go to California, I take it frozen in the Pyrex containers. And that way I can have some low carb meals there on that. Now, the other place I did go, I'm going to shift over here. I went over to stop at Cal Ranch and I got myself a couple more shirts. Red dot ones are 25% off, and this one wasn't, but it was only $25 for that one. So all snaps, good. See if I can show it here. This one have the good. Yeah, I like this. It snaps going this way here because when this does start to shrink, and cotton does start to shrink, I can go from this one to this one, and it still fits my wrist just fine. It doesn't bind up on me. So those are the ones I got there. So that's what I did today, getting more stuff. Yeah, I will be heading back to California again here in about 10 days, 12 days or so. And got more stuff to pack up and bring back here to Idaho. All right, so what are you doing to get prepared? One of the videos I saw this morning, the guy was talking about an FBI agent that was saying everybody needs to get stocked up on food and supplies and stuff. And I really haven't seen that video. I'm trying to track down that video so I can see it myself from the FBI agent or the news article, whatever it was. But good advice finally from the FBI, get prepared. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out doing anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, learn a new skill, and get ready for 2025's indoor garden challenge we're going to be doing here. So we're going to be challenging everyone to grow food indoors. And so you might as well start practicing now. All right. See you around.